Hi, this is Karthick. I'm going to talk about how to interface multiple cameras using MIPI CSI to SoC. I'm the tech lead at Meta on the VR camera team. So the topics that I'll be covering are the general camera interfaces that's available, and a quick recap of what MIPI is, and the camera architecture in perspective of the camera. Then what is MIPI CSI, DPhi, CPhi, and some aggregation based on virtual channels, data types, and multi-drop. So traditionally, in a mobile phone, you'll be having like 2 to 3 cameras, but at any point of time, we'll be using only one of the camera. But in the recent products like robotics, virtual reality, augmented reality, drones, automotive, these technologies demand multiple cameras, and all these multiple cameras need to stream concurrently. So because of this growing number of advanced use cases, we need to interface multiple cameras to the system. And often, you have limited number of camera interfaces available in the SoC. This limits the number of cameras connected to the SoC. We'll see how to overcome some of these limitations in the next few slides. So traditionally, these are the camera interfaces that people use: parallel interface, USB, MIPI. So I'll be covering only the MIPI interface in this talk. So as part of MIPI, the latest standard from the MIPI Alliance is the MIPI CSI 2, and CSI stands for Camera Serial Interface. It's used mostly for the camera use cases. There are multiple protocols based on CSI, APhi, CPhi, DPhi. APhi is mostly used for the automotive use cases. CPhi is based on the trio, which means that there are 3 pins or 3 wires used for connecting the camera. We'll see in detail in the next few slides. DPhi uses a differential phase, which is pretty much similar to how USB operates. There's something called DSI, which is primarily used for display.